Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Keno Brown, and it's another great day to be great. Hello, I know you clicked on this video because you wanted one thing and one thing only. You want to know how to make millions of dollars from day trading. Let me start off by saying I haven't done it yet, but I'm almost there. Kinda. I'm gonna get there though, but I know I got the formula. I know what I'm doing right now is going to inevitably get me to millions of dollars from trading. And I'm going to make millions of dollars off the charts. So, I know I just got to show you guys. And I can show you better than I can tell you. So, without further ado, we can get right into the backtesting session. Let's go! I'm going to start off with the most transparent part of my trading. It's my TradeZilla. So, I'm going to say it doesn't look that good. It doesn't look that good this week. I'm down. Small L for the week. But Friday, trade accident. Accident how this trade happened. Wednesday, I was unable to catch the same trade that I was able to catch on my copy trader. And I ended up taking some stupid trade that resulted me in a small loss. But altogether, still an L week. Still an L week. It could have been a break-even week if I didn't have this trade right here. But it is what it is. Let's get right into the backtesting session. I didn't even set up the charts or nothing, Joe. I'm just gonna straight get rid of everything. And then what was the beginning of the week? Was the 3rd of January. So we're gonna start from the 3rd of January, and then we're gonna work our way to Friday. So the 3rd of January is this day. We're gonna jump on the bar replay tool. I'm gonna show you guys what the charts look like as I stepped in. So this is what the 3rd of January looks like. As usual, I like to draw up my areas of interest based on structure. Structure is high highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. It's all structure. Structure is how the markets move. I don't like to make it any more complicated than that. I think less is more. I think not paying attention to everything, like I don't want to criticize any strategies, but using unnecessary techniques and patterns and whatever to get into the markets, I find it is easier just to keep it as simple as you can in order to catch trades. That's just my personal belief. I found it works for me. As I learned everything when I first started. I tried to learn every minute detail of trading because I wanted to know everything. When you first come into the market, you feel like you have to know everything. Like you need to go into a dark tunnel, just like learning information about the markets. But the truth is, you don't actually. You really don't. The less you know, the better, because you get to make decisions off of less information, and you'll not second guess yourself as you would when you have a lot more information. So I would just say less is more, in my opinion. Less is more. But this is how the charts look like on Monday when I came in. Drew up my areas of interest. On the 1 hour time frame, I dropped down to the 15 minutes. So it's usually 1 hour, 15, and then 1 minute entries. So you see this huge gap. Ooh, I knew that the markets wanted to close this gap. I knew it. I just had a high probability feeling. Why? Because they had a gap on 30, Nahh, S&P 500. I think even gold had a gap. I think gold had a gap too. But like all the markets had a gap at the same time. It's not normal. So I'm thinking a high probability chance it wants to close that gap. I see my last area of interest right here that I thought, made sense for me. All the rest of anything else that don't make sense. I only use high probability areas of interest, which is the highest, the last structure point, the most recent and untouched structure point. Usually when it comes back there, it usually makes a move in the same direction, or it tells you it holds up stronger than an area that has been ran through like 6-7 times. Like it's just not as strong. So I like to use previous structure points, previous day highs, previous day lows structure within that too. So from here, I drop down to the 1 minute but I gotta fast forward my clips to 9:30. You know, I only trade after 9:30. That is when I look at the charts. Well, I look at the charts from 9 to 9:30. That's just me gathering enough information to make a decision on what trade ideas I want to take at 9:30. But 9:30 is after 9:30 is when I'm willing and able to place trades in the market. After 11 o'clock, I'm done. I'm not trading anymore. So I'm really at the charts from like 9 to 11, but really 9 to 10:30. So really an hour and a half to 2 hours a day. I don't get trading that much time anymore. As I said, less is more, bro. Trust me, less is more. So you can see price bulling. We hit this area of interest. I wanted to take shorts from here, but as you can see, boom, you're gonna see I wanted to catch shorts like this to catch price coming back down like this. But what did markets have in store? As you can see, price closed below. This would be my entry. Wait for the retest to tap in on the retest of the area of interest. Drop down. That's simple trade idea. That's how we're gonna take. But the markets had another plan. So the markets came. You see where I have my entry? This would be my entry right here. The markets came so close to my entry, but didn't tap me in. Didn't tap me in. I don't know how I missed this trade. I don't know. I made a video on it. Don't know how I missed it. But it went all the way to TP2. Sad, sad, sad. But as I was telling you, on the high time frame, I seen that gap that I was still hoping that the markets could close. And then I seen the next trade idea, my last trade idea, the trade idea that resulted me in $400+ for the day. So boom, you can see this is the bullish engulfing candle that closed above the last bearish candle. That shows me that what buyers are back in play. So I'm waiting for the retest of the area of interest. Take it long. Something simple. Something simple. I was risking about a lot of points. That's 64 points, 62 points. Yeah, that's a lot of points. So I was honestly just going for a TP2. I think it went way past the TP2, but 60+ points. Yeah, that's a lot to risk. But you know, you gotta take the risk. You gotta take the risk. In trading, you cannot get away from taking the risk to make things happen. Gotta take the risk. So what are we waiting for? The retest. Boom. We got the retest on the very next candle, 958. And then you can see, wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Did this happen? Hold on. I guess I did get stopped out. But I'm like, yeah, did this happen? I think did I get stopped out on this trade? That's tough. I actually don't know. I haven't checked my journal yet, but this trade looked like it got stopped out, but I'm pretty sure I was not a part of this setup. So we're just gonna fast forward again to when the charts. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not even gonna delete this. Like, yeah, this might be a little bit embarrassing, but I'm not even gonna delete this. Like, just gonna leave it. So the charts dropped down here, pushed up. This would have been the trade idea I would have took. I don't know if I took this one, but I definitely would take this one. Let's see if it tapped me in. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Oh yes, yes. I remember this one, but I can't remember in great detail. So yes, there we go. First trade. Oh, sorry. Let's go back. First trade was an L. There we go. First trade was an L. So this one is the trade I told you guys I missed. This, I don't know how it didn't tap me in. Dropped. Missed it. Cool. Whatever. This trade, the first trade I took, got stopped out. Price came down, wicked me out. So was the trade. I did actually take that trade, as you guys can see. You know, trade did not tap me in. I'll try that the first one. And then this is the next one. What? No, not this one. This is the next one I caught. So I missed the first one. Got stopped out on the trade that actually caught me in on the first trade. And then the second trade is the one I just entered. And you can see I got TP2 on it. Same trade, same exact one. So Yes, I did lose on the first one that actually tapped me in, and then I won on the second one. Let's see what was the P&L on both of them. Let's see how much did I make on the first one and lose on the second one. So the first one I lost 200. Oh my god, I'm doing too much. First one I lost $278. Second trade I won 760, resulted in a net positive of $495. You know, calm day. So yeah, I wasn't wrong. This is the exact trade I took, and you can see it's in my journal. I journaled this since Monday, so you know, never no cap in my rep. It might be a little embarrassing to see that, you know, that's what happened, but you got to take the risk. I just told you guys, got to take the risk in trading. You got to take the risk. Can't run away from the risk. So this is right before 9 o'clock. Let's see if we see any areas of interest. I see all of the areas of interest that's on the charts right now are still valid. Not gonna lie to you. Maybe this 15-minute area of interest is not valid. Let's drop down to the 15-minute. Do I see any areas of interest that I like on the 15? I see this area of interest that I like on the 15. We're gonna match it up with the journal to see if everything correlates. But I see that area of interest that I like on the 15. That's about it. Yeah, I wouldn't draw anything else up. But we're gonna see. Obviously, I told you guys, this journal, whenever I do these videos, I don't actually review it before. I'm doing it live with you guys, reviewing it. So anything embarrassing happens, anything I might be not applying in the backtesting session that I did on the charts, we're both finding out at the same time. So yeah, these are the only two areas that I particularly liked. So let's drop down to the 1 minute time frame. Let's see, what trade did I take? I don't even remember this day. What trade did I take? I think it was definitely an L for this day, but I don't remember what trade I took. Let's fast forward to 9:30 real quick. Definitely don't know what trade I took. So this is 9:30 candle. From the area of interest, I would definitely like to take a sell from this area of interest because it makes sense. Yeah, I would have took this sell right here. Think I did take this sell, actually, risking about, how much points did I risk on this trade? 54 points. Not too terrible. Definitely. Let's see if it tapped me in. It did tap me in. Did it stop loss me? Dang, it went so close to my TP1. Jeez, look how close it went to my TP1. Then yeah, you can see it definitely stopped me out. So yeah, that's definitely a trade that happened. Let's see if it correlates. Let's see if it correlates. Yep, pretty much same exact trade. I would have took. Boom. I think I missed this one. I missed it. Yeah, no, I did. I took it. Boom. This trade is I took this first setup right here. You can see it retapped me in. Got into this unit and I got stopped out here. I took another trade right here for a smaller risk. As you can see, all of it was still underneath $114. But yeah, that was the exact trade I took. I took another setup when price came back up here. I tried a second chance attempt and price stopped me out again. I think I took this setup right here. Come on, get off my screen. I took this setup right here. Price came back. Boom. Took this setup when it retested and then it stopped me out. So 2 trades was lost on this one. I think I did not catch. So I caught 1 trade on my copy trade account, and then I caught 1 trade on this funded account. That's why you only see 1 trade here, but I took 2 trades that day. So as you can see, everything is matching up. The same thing I do on the charts in the live market, same thing I'm doing in these backtesting sessions. The charts look exactly the same. You feel me? Look, the charts look exactly the same. That's because I trade exactly the same. I know my edge, and I know it foundationally. I know the basics of my edge, and I'm just extrapolating and putting on every trade. I know what I'm looking for every single day. I know the patterns I'm looking for every single day. As you can see, the charts look exactly the same. So, as a no cap in my rep, I do the same thing every day. I'm definitely gonna make millions in this trading thing. I promise you that. Definitely gonna make millions. I know that for a fact. I have high confidence and high belief in myself that I can do it. I've been trading for about 4.5, almost 5 years now. I have utmost confidence that I could do it, and you should too. You just gotta give it time. Sometimes it just takes experience. It takes experience to see this same thing over and over and be able to execute the same way on the live markets that you would do in the back testing session when no money is upfront, no money is like being risked. I would have no fear. Like if I would be back testing, I'd be like, oh, I would take a trade right here. There's no fear because there's no money attached to it. But in the live markets, money is attached to it, so therefore you can have fear. But you can see that I'm executing the same thing as I would in the live market in the back testing session where there's no fear. So I'm doing the same thing. As I said, these areas of interest, they're still holding up. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's still holding up. I probably took off the 15-minute too hastily. Let's see. Bring that 15-minute back. Let's see. Drop down to the 1 minute. No, let's drop down to the 15-minute. Let's see if we see any other areas of interest. The 15-minute. On the 15-minute, I would drag this area of interest over here. It'll look like this, and I'll probably interesting. This chart's look a little choppy, a little sloppy. This might not be the exact same markups. I don't know. We'll definitely check the back testing, the journal, to see if it's like the same markup. But as of right now, I don't think so, because the markets look structure going up. Boom, we had structure. Boom, structure down. We came to this area, probably came back into it. Well, let's just keep going. As I said, if I did anything wrong in the live markets that I'm catching in the backtesting session, we're both seeing at the same time. So judge me if you want to. I'm honest and transparent about everything that I do, and I record the videos for the world to see. So who cares? Judge me. Fast forward to 9:30. Let's see what 9:30 look like. This is 9:27, 9:28, 9:29, 9:30. So this is the 9:30 candle. Trash candle. Trash. Honestly, from this area, when the markets came back, I should have been looking for buys. The buys back up into the highs to break the highs right here to the left, which was previous day highs. I should have been looking to target liquidity up here. I don't know if that's what I did. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think that's what I did, but that's what I should have done. Let's see what happened. Price dropped. Ooh, that's why. Yeah, I would have stopped looking. Possibly could have kept looking. Possibly. Like taking this buy right here. Possibly could have kept looking. If price can close above here, it could take it easy buys. I like that close. I like this close. I might would have taken it in the next trade. If it tapped me in, it would have tapped me in on this candle. TP1 would have been hit. TP1, let's see, a stop loss come back, so I would have been hit break even on this trade. Let's see if that's the same trade I took. As I said, don't know, y'all. So it's not the same trade I took. This trade was a W on the copy trader accounts. I took a W, but on the funded accounts, I took an L. So this was the trade I took. I took this trade from up here. What was up here? Let's go to the 15. I see I drew this area of interest right here, and I took sells from up here. Let's just keep this back here. Let's keep this back here, and then we'll draw another area of interest up top, and then drop back down to the 1 minute. I took the sells from up top to catch it to go back lower took this trade right here. So obviously, as you can see, the trade was not the same trade exactly that I took in the live markets that I just took just now, which is something that I can learn from. I did take TP2 here, and then I caught TP3. Yeah, definitely big mistake. You could see that I could have, either way, this first trade would have been a break even. Would I have seen this setup for the sells if I had the charts like this? No, I probably wouldn't have. So good trade that I took in the live markets, but as I can see in the backtesting session, I didn't see it the same way. Need to work on that. Could review it. Definitely need to improve myself on that particularly. And you can see I circled it. Liquidity above the high. This is previous day high. Once price ran previous day high, look for the shorts. Okay. Yeah, I could do better. I could definitely do better. But as I said, this is not the same trade that I took. Whatever trade I took to get this L, not the same trade I took on my copy trader account. My copy trader accounts was up. I need to actually link them. I'm gonna link them to Trade of 8. Don't actually know how to link them to Trade of 8 because I'm using Ninja Trader, so maybe I'll just go check. But it is what it is. Thursday. Let's fast forward to Thursday. So these areas of interest are still valid for right now. Let's see what Thursday ran through the highs. So most of these areas of interest is not valid anymore. So I'm just gonna get rid of most of these. I could keep this one up here. I will call this area of interest, this right here, an area of interest. Because the price came down to the highs right here, and then it started dropping. What other area of interest do I see? None right now. Let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we see anything. Hopefully it's the same thing I did on the live session that is captured in the journal. Hopefully. I don't know. I see structure being broken right here. It's definitely structure break. I could see another structure point right here. Structure broken right here. Structure broken right here. I should have definitely been looking for sells here. At this trade, I should have definitely been looking for sells here. I remember this trade setup. I took buys and I got cooked. Yeah. I should have been looking for sells instead of buys. I was definitely biased on the buys because I seen price bulling for such a long time. But let's see the trade I should have taken. And then we'll go cover the trade that I did take actually. Okay, let's fast forward to 9:30. 9:25. 9:26, 9:27, 28, 29, 30. Come on, 30. Ooh. See that wick? See that doji? Ooh, I should have been. I think this is why I took buys from here. I say it in hindsight like I should have took sells, but that's only because I know I took buys and I got cooked. But even still, I can still see buys from this area of interest. I still see buys. Like I would still take buys. Price wicked. You can see this candle look big wicks on both ends. You can see an indecision happening on the 9:30 candle. Let's see if price closes above this candle. Let's see what happens the next candle. We got another indecision candle. Another one. Yeah, I would have took something like this. Because this was a bearish candle and price came back up. Matter of fact, was it a bearish candle? This bar replay tool. Let's see if it was a bearish candle. Yeah, it was a bearish candle. You could see it closed down here. So it was a bearish candle. I would have took price when it retests me here. Let's see if I get tapped in. Okay, got tapped in and got stopped out. Yeah. Yeah. I couldn't actually really I could not see sales this day. I could not see the idea for sales this day. It wasn't even I was stuck on buys. I was just I genuinely thought price would have continued going up. So I did get cooked. I did get cooked on this setup. I possibly took another setup when price dropped again. I would have took it right here. Let's see. Does it make sense? Nope. Prices kept dropping. Prices kept dropping, bro. I got cooked. Yeah, I took another setup. I took like another setup like this. Smaller stop loss, and I got cooked. I was getting cooked. I can't lie to you. I got cooked this day. What was this? Thursday? Got cooked up crazy, bro. Yep. This is a trade. I took. Stop loss hit immediately. You feel me? I just got tapped in. First candle tapped me in. Boom. Stop loss hit. I got stopped out in like 2 minutes, bro. Yeah, I got cooked. And I took another setup. This next setup I told you guys I just took. Boom. Stop loss cooked. Yeah. I got cooked up crazy. I was fighting the trend OD. Higher time frame looked like it was bullish though. No cap. Terrible day. L day. I'm fried, man. I tried to risk more to make this happen. Dang, looking at all time frames, I felt like I was following the trend. This is tough. I guess my zone was just wide IDK. So yeah, I felt like I was in alignment with the trend. Like if you look in the high time frame, bro, high time frame at this point, at this particular point in the day, like when I came on the charts right at 9:30, this looked like it was gonna keep going up. Not gonna lie to you, this looks pretty bullish. Like you can see, and we have previous day highs right here that it can come in and attack. Like this is liquidity above here. Like I don't see price coming back all the way down here to catch previous day's low. So I'm attacking previous day's high. I'm attacking I'm attacking liquidity using the zones or the areas of interest to bounce play to get to attack the high. So that day was just cooked. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was just cooked. Like I just got fried. Look at that, fried. It is what it is. And Friday the last. Whoa. Friday the last day of the week, man. We still gonna keep this area of interest active. Do I see anything on that 1 hour? I see this. I see this low right here on the 1 hour. That I want to encapsulate. But from here, definitely shooting for the longs, right? Let's drop down to the 15 minute. Did I see anything on the 15 minute that I would like to identify? Structure came up here. I would see something like this. Maybe this area of interest right here. Yeah, I would look at that area of interest that I would like to see price drop back down from. Right, yeah, that's it right there. That's all I've seen. I didn't see no other areas of interest that really particularly stood out for me. Let's fast forward to 9:30 real quick. 1, 2. Fast forward to 9:30. Let's see what happened. Let's see what the 9:30 candle looked like. Oh yeah, this Friday. Oh my god, man, price didn't turn around and give me my nice entry, bro. Did I see another area of interest down here? I did. I probably did. Let's. I seen this wick down here. Huge wick on a 15-minute time frame. That's pretty much it. Yeah, price came down here, bruh. Tested this area of interest, the purple line. This was another area of interest. All I wanted was to price to retest it, tap me in. Oh my god, price went so nuts this day, bro. Look at it. Boom, price drop. Let's see, where would I got in? It dropped one more time, got close to it. Boom, that candle showed me exactly what the buyers took over. That was a big engulfing candle. You could see no wicks on either side. All I wanted Price to do is to come back and tap me in. Boom, and I take it up. Oh, Price left me this day, bro. I was so tight. Look at that. Price is gone. So the reason why I lost $310 on this account, first of all, on this trade, I was only risking like 180 or something, like $200, something like this. This is a trade idea I wanted to take, right? This is a trade idea. I had the trade idea open on my copy trader account, and I had a trader open on my funded account. So I can't trade them together. Why? Because the copy trader account doesn't allow Tradeovate accounts from Top Steps to be traded on the account. So I had to trade them separately. But I closed the trade on my copy trader accounts. I closed them because I'm like, Price already left. Look, Price is already at like TP4, TP5. By the time Price turned around, it was at like TP6. Boom, Price is already up here. I'm like, Price already left me. Look at that. That's a full V-shaped recovery, bro. Look at that. Full Price dropped, V-shaped recovery. That's gone. Price not coming back. I already knew this trade was invalid for me now. Like, to try to take buys back from down here, invalid. I'm not taking that. I was like, let me try to look for sells from the highs though. Started looking for sells. Couldn't see no sells yet. 956, 957. Haven't seen it yet. I was like, I'm close to taking sells. But the thing was, I didn't close the trade idea on my phone, because my phone is where I'm trading my funded, and my laptop or my desktop is where I'm trading my copy trader accounts. I forgot, bro. 56, 57. I'm waiting for that bullish engulfing candle. I'm waiting for that bearish candle to close below here so I can get in for the shorts. Look what happens at 10 o'clock. Bruh. Price came and dropped, bro. And it gapped. Like, stop loss was hit all the way down here, bro. I got stopped out for like 380, 390 or whatever, 310. Lost 310. I was only risking 180 on the trade because Price gapped down a little bit. And it happened so fast. This was seconds, bro. This 1 minute candle happened in seconds. This drop happened in seconds. Bruh, I didn't even get to think about what was happening. I didn't even know what was happening. I was like in a daze, like, oh, whoa, what's going on? So inevitably, I took a loss on the account. I didn't take a loss on the copy trader accounts because I closed them. They weren't open. But it is what it is. This week looks disgusting. Down $415. I'm still going to make millions of dollars during this trading stuff. But, you know, I like to be honest and transparent with you guys. I want you guys to follow my journey, right? So when I do start to make millions and millions and millions of dollars from trading, you guys get to look back at the days where I was taking dumb trades or taking trades that weren't not the same, or making mistakes, or learning from my mistakes and getting better and having profitable weeks. And the journey is there. The whole thing is there for you guys to see. And you can't call me a fraud because I ain't hiding nothing. I'm honest and transparent with everything that I do. Look, my journals, it's always here. Everything I journal, it's always here. Look. It's always here. So, you know, I can't make none of this up. It is what it is. I did take a losing week this week. It is what it is. But that's my video, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Peace.